Good evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, this is my video. This video is about flying my drone. I did some repairs on my drone, and I'll explain it. Some of the repairs that I've done. Also, you gotta, especially with drones, any machinery, you have to do some pre-checks before you actually start and use the machine. And I keep forgetting to do those things, which is causing me some issues and little issues, but it's still fun to use. Learning curve, I'm an amateur. I'm less than an amateur right now at using drones, but it's fun and I love doing it. So mainly dig out, watch my video.
One of the couple of issues that you'll have with the drone, or this drone, the Eachine. The biggest problem I have with this drone is saying the name. Eachine, there we go, Eachine drone. If it's not calibrated, the back rotors won't rotate. They won't rotate at all. They'll stop rotating. So if it's on a slant, also, they won't rotate. It's uneven. Or what just happened, what gave me a little freak out, I did all the troubleshooting and this and that, and the arm that I just replaced, so this arm right here, wasn't going. It wasn't spinning at all. And what had happened is there was a little hair, long hair, a very long hair that got trapped in the propeller. And it was keeping it would go, but then it would stop. And it was keeping it from going any further. I guess it's a problem. I have two daughters with long hair, and of course my wife also has long hair. So yeah, and it's dirty. So when you go to pick up your drone and you go to use it, one of the things you should always look for is are the propellers being blocked by something? Always. And I gotta wipe this bad boy down, but always check.
So what I learned and how to calibrate this, I'm sorry I don't have it on a tripod. I have a tripod, I just never bring the tripod with me. So how you calibrate it is you turn it on, you turn on the drone also. Normally it'd already be on. You do the joystick, you calibrate up and down, so up, down, and then with both thumbs, because I don't have both thumbs right now, you turn it to the left. And the lights will flash, and when it stops flashing, they are calibrated. Hopefully that is correct. Or when it makes that noise, it is calibrated. So that is how you calibrate your Eachine drone. It works 10 times better when it's calibrated. It's one of those things, you can pick it up and it works. You can turn the machine on and it works. I would calibrate it every time. That way you have control of it. I like having control over my drone. The better calibrated it is, the more control you have over it. I'm so excited my drone works. It takes off. I've done all the calibrations, which isn't that hard. Goes back and forth. What I'm trying to do is get it steady and sturdy. I haven't flown for a little while. I'd say about a week or two. And oh, there we go. I'm getting it. I'm trying to get it, kind of to hover. What I was trying to do is get a picture of the basketball hoop, and it wasn't working. There we go. Because I was trying to remember where the camera was. Oh, now I'm just getting motion sickness. Whatever. Just causing motion sickness. Whatever. But yeah, I'm so happy. Because I thought I broke my drone. And then turns out it was just a hair stuck in one of the propellers. Well, the propellers had broken, but there was another propeller there was a long hair stuck in the propeller. So I had to fix it. or how to pull the hair out, which just a learning curve. You gotta look at the piece of machinery you want to use always before you use it. So I didn't know. I just get all excited and want to play with it anyway. So yeah, kind of looking around, playing with it. Checking out the speeds. Once again, trying to keep it steady. I was actually trying to look at that thing right there, the red thing. I didn't know what it was. No, I'm just playing. I'm trying to keep steady from a distance. Oh, no, not a distance, because it's right there. I'm actually behind it. Now I'm just doing tricks. Oh, and it lands.